Jeremy! Jeremy, did you see how much Tattooed Chef stock went down? How much of our money did you invest?
What? It went down?
It did go down. You want to tell me how much of our money?
Just a little bit.
How much of our money is a little bit, Chris? Jeremy?
50% of our money.
Oh, only 50%. Our child's gonna starve. This whole room, it's gotta go.
I'm Warren Buffett. It's gonna go back up, I swear.
No, it's our son's nursery. It's gotta go.
No.
It's gotta go. We have to sell it.
What about my teddy bear?
It's gotta go.
Tattoo Chef just got annihilated. They're so jacked up they can't even release their earnings on time. That's a company you want to put most of your life savings in. Fufu is such a gene. Yes, he is. Oh boy. So I worked pretty late tonight, but I still had to take time to make this video because I just have to rub it in. Every time Jeremy LaFoo-Foo, Jeremy LaFraud, Jeremy LaFF, I can't say the word, gets annihilated, I gotta laugh. Now, Tattooed Chef, also known as Tattooed Nutsack, has been pumped on Jeremy LaFoo-Foo's channel hundreds of times. Maybe not hundreds of times, definitely dozens of times. Let's go look at Jeremy LaFoo-Foo's channel. I'm gonna show you how many times this freaking degenerate has pumped Tattooed Nutsack. Let's see. Woo! Here he is right here. Oh, I didn't watch this video. Tattooed Chef FFFFF. So this guy just pumps a bunch of garbage stocks. And if one of the stocks goes up temporarily, he claims he's a genius. And if the stocks go down because they're unprofitable trash, he's just like, oh my god, it's gonna go back up. Buy the dip. Look at this freaking loser. Why would you pay this man up to $20,000? I mean, how can you possibly believe in him? Please. Look how many views he gets versus me. God, what a freaking train wreck. So you go and you look at his videos, and he always claims he's a long-term investor. He's all about the long term, bro. But when you look at these thumbnails, what do you see? I'm broke again. Tattooed Chef holders, get ready. Major update for Tattooed Chef. It's still trash. Tattooed Chef equals $5.11. It's probably too high. That's him getting butthurt about everything money. What a freaking loser. All he does is talk about Tattooed Chef. Oh, here we go. Why Tattooed Chef talk? Well, 10x. Let me see that 10x, Jeremy. Jeremy LaFoo-Foo, your days are numbered, buddy. Because the Boglehead Army has been revitalized. We are going to conquer YouTube. All you degenerate gamblers, grifters, and losers that pump unprofitable garbage stocks are going to be destroyed. Just give us time. I believe I am their figurehead. Well, maybe somebody else is, but I can pretend I'm the figurehead, and we are going to take you down. Now, what caused Tattooed Nutsack to go down today? Tattooed Nutsack! I've actually been seeing commercials or advertisements on YouTube for Tattooed Chef. They actually have garbage advertisements, too. It's like some liberal music. It's like, yeah, I'm liberal. Yeah. And then it's like, Tattooed Chef at the very end. Yeah. Tattooed Chef. Seriously, if you've seen the advertisements, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, Tattooed Nutsack to reschedule their third quarter 2021 earnings. I was so excited to see this. But they're so jacked up as an organization, they can't even release their freaking earnings on time. What a freaking mess. Their accountants suck. They should hire me as their accountant. Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol Tattooed Nutsack, a leader in plant-based foods. A leader? That's a leader stock right there. A leader in plant-based foods today announced it will reschedule its third quarter earnings and conference call previously scheduled for November 10, 2021. Of course they wait until I have to go on freaking vacation. I'm actually going on vacation starting tomorrow. The delay is a result of additional time required to finalize the company's financial statements because they're a bunch of clueless morons and they have horrible management. Well, it's a good company! And the company will have to make further announcement regarding the timing of the release and conference call. Tattooed Chef, leading plant... Why do they keep saying leading? They're freaking garbage. Now, I told you this company was freaking trash, okay? Not because Jeremy LaFoo-Foo LaFart likes it, but because It doesn't make any money, okay? It's freaking unprofitable garbage. It is terrible. Now let's look at some of the most recent metrics. Let's go look at the financials. I don't know if the Fufu has done this. Let's see. Over the last couple of quarters, this has been the trend in revenue. So, decent, disappeared. Are they missing the, do they not have revenue in a quarter? Massive spike. Maybe they combined them? That's freaking weird. And then flat and then declining a little bit. So basically their revenue's freaking flat. So the one thing you look for in a growth stock would be growing revenues. Their freaking revenue's not even growing. How pitiful is that? Let's look at their gross profit. Man, that is some crazy gross profit right there. What is that? Let's see. 8 divided by 51. 8 divided by 51. 8 divided by 51. 15.6%. Okay, I think the gross profit was actually going down. So that's also a bad sign. You look at the operating income. Oh, wow, they're losing a lot of money. I don't know what that random, something's wrong with quarter 4. I don't know what's going on with that. Losing freaking money. Net income. Losing freaking money. Cash flow. Let's go look. Let's see what the cash flow looks like. Cash flow from operations. Negative, 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 negative. Free cash flow. Negative, 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 negative. And they don't even have revenue growth? I mean, at least have freaking revenue growth if you're going to be a growth company. You know what I'm saying? Tattooed Nutsack is freaking garbage. I also went and tried the food because I like to sample products to see if they're actually worth a crap. How was the taste? The taste was okay. I'm not going to say it was horrible and disgusting. I liked it better than Beyond Sausage, I'll tell you that. But the freaking price that you pay for that food is ridiculous. Okay, I paid $5 at Target plus tax to get a little bowl of mush. I mean, come on. That's not going to fill the average person up. Even a freaking soy boy, okay? And then I went to Walmart, and I saw they'd slashed the prices pretty significantly. So that told me, Walmart's probably not really helping them. They're probably cutting them pretty low. They're probably not making a lot of profits off Walmart. And if you think about it, Tattooed Nutsack, it's not Tattooed Chef, is highly concentrated at just a few businesses. So those businesses have a lot of leverage over them. If they're like, hey, we're only going to pay this much for your goods and you can eat it, they don't have a choice. And that's going to affect their gross margin and their bottom line profitability. This company is freaking garbage, okay? Now, final thoughts. The stock sold off today because of the delay in earnings. That usually symbolizes that the management's freaking jacked up, okay? I'm sure the full story will come out, but this stock is sketchy, man. I don't know why you would want to risk a massive amount of your money in something like this. There are better ways to invest your money. You don't want to risk your future putting money in garbage like this that is highly unprofitable and is getting pumped by a bunch of freaking loser YouTubers like Jeremy LaFufu, this clown right here. I don't have time to watch this video. I got so much going on, but I'm sure he spun it as a good news, and then he probably like, oh, sign up for my stock group. Jesus Christ. Anyway, had to make this video. Tattooed Chef is trash, but I can't talk about too much because I can't see the new earnings. I'm really curious to see, has their gross profit increased? Has their revenue increased? Are they diversifying their vendors that they're selling to? I don't know. I got to see. But that's it. So, still garbage. Wouldn't buy it. Not touching it. And if it goes up again, I don't care because it's unprofitable trash. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Y'all have a wonderful day. Choo!